Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Pest Tech. Flies buzzing around the house can be a persistent nuisance, especially during warmer months. While chemical sprays and traps are commonly used for fly control, many people prefer natural remedies due to concerns about toxins and environmental impact. Fortunately, several effective natural methods for controlling flies indoors are both eco-friendly and safe for your family and pets. In this video, we'll explore these remedies for controlling flies indoors. Number 1. Use essential oils. Essential oils are potent extracts derived from plants that possess various properties, including insect-repelling abilities. Certain essential oils, such as peppermint, eucalyptus, citronella, and lavender, are known to repel flies effectively. To create a natural fly repellent spray, mix a few drops of your chosen essential oil with water in a spray bottle and spritz it around doorways, windows, and other entry points. You can also soak cotton balls in essential oil and place them strategically to deter flies from entering your home. Number 2. Apply vinegar traps. Vinegar is a versatile household ingredient that can be used to create effective fly traps. Fill a shallow dish with apple cider vinegar and add a few drops of dish soap. The scent of vinegar attracts flies, while the dish soap breaks the surface tension, causing the flies to drown when they land on the mixture. Place these traps near areas where flies congregate, such as kitchen countertops or garbage bins, to capture them effectively. Number 3. Make DIY fly paper. Traditional fly paper often contains toxic chemicals, but you can make your natural version using common household ingredients. To create DIY fly paper, mix equal parts sugar, honey, and water to create a sticky solution. Cut strips of brown paper bags or cardboard and dip them into the sticky mixture. Hang these strips near fly-prone areas, such as near windows or light fixtures. Flies will be attracted to the sweet scent and become trapped on the sticky surface. Number 4. Grow fly-repelling plants. In addition to herbs, several plants are known for their ability to repel flies due to their strong scent or natural compounds. Some examples include marigolds, citronella grass, catnip, and lavender. Placing potted versions of these plants indoors can help keep flies at bay. Not only are these plants aesthetically pleasing, but they also serve as effective natural fly repellents, making them a practical and decorative addition to your home. Number 5. Proper waste management. One of the most effective ways to control flies indoors is by eliminating their breeding grounds. Proper waste management is crucial for reducing fly populations. Make sure to seal garbage bags tightly and dispose of them regularly. Keep outdoor garbage bins clean and free of food residue. If you compost, ensure that your compost bin is properly covered and located away from the house. That's all for now. Like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.